How to create music for your real estate videos using AI. Today, welcome everybody. I'm Tom Lyons from realmarkai.com and Team Terra Lyons in Belleville, Ontario. And today we're going to cover some really cool stuff with AI that I like. So I was creating a listing video a little while ago, and we have a large list of music that we like to use. And in fact, I have another AI service called SoundDraw that I usually use to create different content or different music for our listing videos. But the internet's been alive with Suno for a long time, Suno.com. And I wanted to give it a try to see what I could come up with. And and it's pretty amazing. If you haven't tried it yet, you need to look at it. You can do some really fun stuff with it, but it can come up with some really great music to put on the back end that's copyright free that you can go use into your videos, and you're gonna step up your background music game for sure. So this is Suno.com. I'm going to go to the homepage here so you can see what we're looking at. We're on version 4, so it's better from the start. It gives you all this music that other people have been able to create and are trending. Some of them are absolutely amazing. Let's see what happens if we pick something. Is it going to show me? There we go, a little bit further down. Let's give it a try. I was more impressed with the create feature. So this is the prompt that I used here. So all you do is just go to create and then type in a prompt for something that you're going. So I went a hip, heavy bass background music appropriate for real estate listing tours. Let's go tours. I went instrumental because I didn't want words to it, but you can go instrumental and then add something. This is what I love about it so much. Add something like for Team Terra Lyons, Belleville, Ontario. So it's going to create a song that's going to be hip with heavy bass background music appropriate for real estate listing tours about, let's go about instead of for, about Team Terra Lyons in Belleville, Ontario, helping you buy a home. Let's go with that. And then we just hit create. And what I love about this is that the songs are pretty good, actually. I'm surprised at how good they are. Okay, so I've got 2 songs that quickly, and I'm using 3.5. I'm not even using 4. You can change the model that you want to use. So we just go here.
Walking through the door feels right. Team Terra Lyons by my side. Belleville's trying shining bright. We'll find that home.
I mean, I'm not winning a Grammy with that, but in 5 minutes, I've got a song that's talking about our team helping them buy a home that quickly. I think it's absolutely amazing. And so then the flip side is I can go instrumental. Now, if it's instrumental, it's not going to have any lyrics associated to it. But because I can change the style of the music and the feel that I want with it and the emotion that we're trying to generate with it by putting that into my prompt, I can get some really great music that fits specific homes. And I don't know about you, if you do create your own videos, or if you have somebody create the videos for you, finding music that you think is appropriate for the background can be difficult at times, especially for shorts and stuff like that. I don't know, is it too dreamy? Is it too slow? Maybe not. Tell me what you think. And then a little more rock, a little bit more guitar in there. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure what home I would put that to, so I might not choose that one, but it's all about changing your prompt to get the feel for you want. What I like about these is you can do a whole ton for an incredibly low price, which is for free. I've created all of these and I've only worked through half of my credits, which means I could create quite a few more. And then I don't know, I can subscribe And what's the price? Basic month, 50 credits, non-commercial license. So you want the commercial license, which is why you need to move up to the pro plan. $10 a month. And you can get as much music as you want, up to 500 songs monthly, which is absolutely crazy to be able to do. So I think this is a really great option if you do a lot of videos and you're looking for music. Even if you did it for a month and you created enough songs that you'd have something for your videos for the next while, right? It's not a bad way to go. But anyway, pass it on to the person that edits your videos. Maybe they would like it. If you're doing it yourself, I hope you love this little tip. Until then, we will talk to you later.